tournament days are wet at the Memorial.
It does rain. It rains every year.
Every year there's usually something. It's rare that we get a completely dry tournament. But yeah, if you look at the numbers, 55% of the time there is rain on tournament days. So Chief Leatherlips is still in charge of what's happening.
Maybe this year we're getting it out of the way now.
Maybe.
So it's a dry tournament.
One can hope. And we are nonstop. We're more than 2 inches above normal for the month so far.
Wow.
It's only the 6th. So here we are. We still have rain coming down now. We've had half an inch already, and more of that continues to fall. So as this moves through central Ohio, we're just adding to that number for the day today. To our east, it is still coming down pretty good right now in parts of Coshocton County. A little of that up near Tuskegee County, and you can see some of that also getting back here toward Newark, down into Buckeye Lake, Lancaster, Ulex. And in Columbus, most of it is some light rain. Out near Pataskala, it's a little bit heavier, and there's a little pocket of heavy rain right here in Hilliard as well. But a lot of the region is going to dry out later tonight. It's coming down at the airport, 58 degrees there, so it's a chilly afternoon. Wind out of the west, 7 miles per hour right now. Wouldn't surprise you a whole lot to know that your relative humidity is real close to 100%. Here are your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions. Where it has stopped raining, you're a little bit warmer. So from Courthouse in London down into Waverly, you're into the 60s, but it's still in the lower 50s for Coshocton and up into Mount Vernon because it's cool air and you still have the rain coming down. In the meantime, that rain will taper off late tonight, and we'll start to get a bit of a break. In fact, we might even do a little bit of clearing during the overnight hours. North central Ohio is likely to end up with some fog first thing in the morning. Columbus kind of on the edge of that. You might have some patchy fog in low-lying areas, but other than that, the morning commute should be okay. 60 degrees by 8 o'clock this evening. Your overnight low eventually down to around 53. We'll do some partial clearing overnight tonight. Where you get more clearing, that's going to be a little bit up here toward the, as odd as this is going to look, a little bit counterintuitive. This is fog across a lot of north central and northeastern Ohio. It shows up, looks just like the clouds on the satellite image. So that's likely to be some fog up there, because you'll have some clear sky above it. Then during the day, a mix of sun and clouds, a slight chance at a passing sprinkle, but most of your Wednesday is going to be dry. Another chance of rain pivots into Ohio on Thursday. This is another front that comes through. That's going to give us a chance for a few on and off showers, but not looking for anything severe. What we had today, not severe. Wednesday, not looking for any rain. And Thursday, not severe weather either. So if anything, it's just going to be some on and off showers. That's good for us. At least it's not going to be really problematic. 53 on the way out to the bus stop in the morning. 72 on the way home. It is going to be a nice day. High around 74. So we'll have some clouds, but some sunshine will break through. And we're going to be back up above average for a day. Then we'll see a chance of showers on Thursday. And after that, it looks beautiful. Friday, sunshine with a